Page 6, Harmonic Waltz and Upside Down Waltz. I'm going to cover both of these in this piece. They're really more of an accompaniment type thing for waltzes. So let's talk about that. First off, a waltz is just something in a feel of 3 beats. Usually 3/4 time. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So all kinds of waltzes around. That's the whole idea of a waltz. Well, you look at these two pieces, they're both in 3/4 time. We're still in C position. Well, don't need to worry about that, so let's just talk about the notes. At the beginning, it starts with the left hand with the 2 and 1 fingers, these 2 fingers on the F and the G, and you go down at the same time. I'm putting my hand in that position, I'm lowering the hand. In the right hand, it's the same thing. It's 2 and 1, but on C and the D. In that position, you lower the hand. So it's that. You can play that over and over. If you want to irritate somebody, yeah, do that for a while. That'll work. Second measure, now we're changing notes. Now it's an E and a G in the left hand, and a C and an E in the right. And again, I put my hand in that position and I drop the hand. Third measure over. Now it's a D and a G, and in the right hand a C and an F, and I'm again in that position and I drop the hand. And then we're back to what we did before. As far as the intervals go, if you look at these intervals in the first measure, that's a second. Remember, an interval of a second in each of the hand. In the next measure, it's an interval of a third. Remember? In the next measure, the third measure, is an interval of a fourth. Start to see a pattern here, and that's basically what this waltz is. Now, on the upside down waltz, you got basically the same notes, a slightly different pattern. Now the right hand gets the first beat of the measure. So it's here. Next measure, we'll just switch the hands around is all. Upside down. Now again, we want to consider everything in the music. We don't want to leave anything out. And in this piece, you will see the dynamics. Again, they're giving 2 dynamics. I don't like that, but they're doing it okay. In the left hand, the MF below the staff, that's for the bottom staff, it's medium loud. And then the P in the middle, it's supposed to be below the upper staff, and that's soft, piano for soft, and that's for the right hand. So they're telling you to play the left hand medium loud and the right hand soft, so you get that. And you're going to have to decide what medium loud and soft are, because it's different for different people. In your understanding, what are these things? Like so. Then on top of that, it's moderately fast. Well, again, what's moderately fast? Well, it's sort of fast. It's fast, sort of. Yeah. It's going to be different for different people. It's up to you what it is. And then in the second waltz, in the upside down waltz, it's all flipped, where the dynamics now are the right hand, the upper staff gets the MF and the bottom staff gets the soft, but it's the same speed, so it's here. The whole idea of these dynamics is you're going to reinforce the natural accent, which is the first beat of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The idea, ideally, and what they'll do eventually is you won't get the dynamics. You'll just know to play the first beat a little louder because you're going to feel it louder. If you'll feel it, you'll play it. It just works out that way. So that's what they're intending on these waltzes. You want to feel that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's pretty much what's going on here. Let's play these 2 waltzes together. I'm going to count us in for each waltz, and we're going to play them slowly because I want to check the notes and the rhythms and all that. There are repeat signs in each waltz, and we're going to take the repeat sign. So, in case you're confused about that, on the repeat sign, you're going to go back to the beginning, you'll play all that again, and then you keep going, because you only repeat 1 time. If they want you to repeat more than once, they have to put in a note telling you that. So for harmonic waltz, go ahead and put your hands in C position. I'll give us 3 counts and let's play this together. 1, ready, go. Repeat. Off. Now for upside down waltz, again, I'll give us 3 counts and let's play that one. So your hands are in C position. 1, ready, go.